Hey everyone, today I'll tell you how to use Apple gift card to buy Apple products. Find the 16-digit code on the back of the card. For some gift card, you might need to peel or generally scratch off the label to see the code. Open the App Store app. At the top of the screen, tap the sign in button or your photo. Tap redeem gift card or code. If you don't see redeem gift card or code, sign into your Apple account. Tap Use Camera and follow the instructions on the screen. If you have trouble reading the card, tap Enter the code manually, then follow the instructions on the screen. Tap Redeem. In the United States, when you redeem a gift card to your Apple account balance, the balance might appear in Apple Wallet. And that's it. That's how you can use Apple gift card to buy Apple product. When you redeemed an Apple gift card, App Store card, or App Store or an iTunes gift card, you can make purchases with your Apple account balance. Those purchases can include apps, games, subscriptions like Apple Music or iCloud Plus, and more. But for some purchases, Apple account balance can be used. Thank you for watching.